They're shaking.
No, those are asleep.
I'm sorry. I might be addicted to this one. He's so tiny. Wow, look at you. Yeah. He's licking me.
No, that's his nose. They don't know how to lick yet.
We gotta keep this one.
No.
We have to. No, Mom. There's no doubt about it.
I already have him at home. I have homes for all of them.
Can I pick him up, please? I want to get a
Except for
picture with
Tofu.
him. Flip. I just really do, can I?
Just put him in the palm of your hand gently, dude.
I am.
Because Miso's coming. Hurry up. She's coming.
Hello, guy. So cute.
Look at me.
Miso, look at Miso.
I know.
Yeah.